What if I told you that there is a phone that can beat the Samsung Galaxy S24, the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and the Google Pixel 7 in terms of performance, battery life, and display quality? And what if I told you that this phone costs less than half of those flagships? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. It's the OnePlus 12, the latest and greatest from the company that never settles. In this video, I'm going to show you why the OnePlus 12 could be the best phone of 2024 and why you should keep an eye on it for the next year. So without further ado, let's get started. Today, I have a very special device with me. It's the OnePlus 12, the phone that has been making waves in the smartphone industry with its incredible specs, features, and price. This phone is a beast, and I'm going to show you why. The OnePlus 12 has a sleek and premium design with a metal frame and a glass back. The back has a matte finish that feels smooth and comfortable in the hand. The phone comes in 3 colors: midnight black, arctic white, and forest green. The phone has a curved 6.82-inch display that covers almost the entire front with a small punch hole cutout for the selfie camera. The display is a 2K LTPO BOE X1 OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 2600 nits. This display looks amazing. It's sharp, vibrant, smooth, and bright. It supports HDR10+ and Dolby Vision, which means you can enjoy stunning visuals on Netflix, YouTube, and other streaming services. The display also has an Oppo P1 display chip, which optimizes the color accuracy, contrast, and power efficiency of the screen. The display also has a variable refresh rate, which saves battery life. The display also has an in-display fingerprint scanner, which is fast and reliable. The OnePlus 12 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, which is the most powerful processor on the market right now. This chipset has an octa-core CPU with a peak clock speed of 3.3 GHz, an Adreno GPU, and a 5G modem. The phone also has up to 24 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. These specs are insane. The OnePlus 12 is expected to handle any task you throw at it, whether it's gaming, multitasking, or video editing. The phone also runs on Android 14 with the Oxygen OS custom skin on top. Oxygen OS is one of the best Android skins out there, as it offers a clean, smooth, and customizable user experience. Oxygen OS also has some unique features, such as Zen mode and work-life balance. The OnePlus 12 has a 5,400 mAh battery, which is the largest battery ever used on a OnePlus phone. The battery is supposed to last for a full day of heavy usage, and even more if you use the power-saving modes. The phone also supports 100-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging, which are the fastest charging speeds available right now. The phone can go from 0 to 100% in just 25 minutes with the wired charger, and in just 40 minutes with the wireless charger. The phone also supports reverse wireless charging, which means you can use it to charge other devices. The OnePlus 12 has a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 50MP Sony IMX966 primary camera with OIS, a 48MP Sony IMX581 ultra-wide camera, and a 64MP 3x periscope telephoto camera. The primary camera is designed to capture stunning photos and videos in any lighting condition. The ultra-wide camera can take amazing shots of landscapes, architecture, and group photos. The telephoto camera can zoom in up to 30x digitally, without losing much quality. The phone also has a 32MP selfie camera, which can take sharp and natural selfies and portraits. The phone can record 8K videos at 30 FPS, 4K videos at 120 FPS, and 1080p videos at 480 FPS with HDR10+ and Dolby Vision support. The phone also has some cool camera features such as Nightscape, Pro Mode, and Super Stable. The OnePlus 12 also has some other features that make it a complete package. The phone has stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, which deliver loud and clear sound. The phone has a USB-C port, which supports data transfer, audio output, and OTG. The phone has a dual SIM slot, which supports 5G, 4G, 3G, and 2G networks. The phone also has Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, and GPS. The phone also has some sensors, such as an accelerometer, a gyroscope, a proximity sensor, a compass, and a barometer. The OnePlus 12 is a phone that has it all. It has a stunning design, a dazzling display, a beastly performance, a massive battery, a versatile camera, and a lot more. It's a phone that can compete with the best of the best, and even surpass them in some aspects. And the best part is, it costs only $699, which is less than half of what the Samsung Galaxy S24, the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and the Google Pixel 7 cost. This makes the OnePlus 12 the best value for money phone of 2023 and the best phone overall. So, what are you waiting for? Go and pre-order the OnePlus 12 as soon as it launches. Trust me, you won't regret it. And if you do, let me know in the comments below how you like it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel Tech Without Borders and hit the bell icon to get notified of my future videos. I have a lot more exciting tech reviews coming up and you don't want to miss them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.